This episode, we're doing another appearance mod to the Civic Si. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I am Joby. This is the Naturalgearhead Garage. That is my 2026 Honda Civic Si. If you've seen some of the previous videos on the car, we've been doing some kind of appearance mods, working our way up to doing some performance mods on this thing. But, you know, I was on Amazon skimming around again, believe it or not, and picked up something else I think might be pretty cool. So this is what they are calling a rear window roof spoiler. It comes with tape in the box. It's just attached with a double-side adhesive tape, which, again, I wouldn't, if you've seen my other videos, I don't really recommend you using this tape, but use it if you want, at your own risk. I like using 3M stuff, so if you don't have any 3M stuff, you might want to buy it if that's what you want to use, because it does not come with actual 3M tape. It doesn't have any, this is the bottom side, affixed to it already, so you do have to apply it and put it on how you want. So you want to make sure this is completely cleaned with alcohol before you apply it on there. The finish looks pretty good. I'm going to show you where this goes. It actually, if you look, it has this kind of like gullied out area here to match the rear spoiler. So I'm not sure if I'm going to like it yet or love it or not at all, but the cool thing about this one is it attaches to the glass and not the paint. So if I hate it, I'll just rip it off, clean off the window, it'll be good to go. You don't have to worry about messing up the paint, anything like that. So we'll see how the fit is on this. I kind of read mixed reviews on it being a little bit short or whatever. This one is for the sedan. They have one for the hatchback too. They are different, so make sure if you order one that you get the right one for your car, okay? This thing was like just under 60 bucks. And I thought, hey, if it looks cool, I'll do it. Let's give it a shot. I mean, that's pretty affordable, right? So let's take it over and check the fitment first before we put any kind of tape on this thing. All right, so you can kind of see how the rear spoiler, they kind of mimic each other, which is nice. Kind of keeps that flowing through the car. This will fix right at the top of the rear glass here. So let's just see how she fits and lines up. I'm gonna line it up exactly on the edge of this glass and then go the other side and see what it looks like. Yeah, that fitment is actually really nice and it sits nice and flush on the window. Let me bring you in and show you. All right, so as you can see, this is the edge of the glass, that kind of gray area. It fits really nice all the way across. It lines up right in here. You still have a gap at the body line on both sides. And you can see it's just very subtle, very, very subtle. But same thing, it lines up real nice with the glass right here. Leaves you a gap at the body line. Actually, the fitment is really nice. It's very, very subtle, like I said. I like that it is subtle and not all ridiculous looking. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I love it or not, but we are going to install it. So let me get some tape. I'm trying to give you all the angles here. Got a little makeshift table going on. We're using the box that came in and the foam wrapping that it came in because we got to flip it upside down so that it doesn't damage the finish. And this is the tape we're using. This is the 3M automotive double-sided super strength molding tape. Super strength, that's what we want, super strength. We don't want it flying off. Got a microfiber and some alcohol. Wipe this surface, get it nice and clean. We'll apply that tape to the perimeter of this thing. I'll start the little red backing, kind of get it going a little bit. You're gonna want a hair dryer or a heat gun, and you just kind of heat that tape up right before you apply it. That'll help activate the stickiness of the tape, I guess. That way when you stick this thing on, you apply the pressure to it, it'll stick and be on there for good, and that's what we're looking for. We don't want it flying off going down the freeway. So let me get it cleaned up and get the tape on here. I might got a little crazy with the tape. I went all the way around the whole perimeter. Not sure if you need all that tape on there. This thing will probably be able to go 200 miles an hour now. I doubt that's ever gonna fly off, but we'll see. Hopefully not. We know for sure we got enough tape on there. But if I ever have to take it off, like I'm not sure how durable this coating is yet. It says it's UV gloss black, so hopefully it lasts a long time in the Florida sun. But if it ever looks terrible and I gotta take it back off, it's gonna be a job. So let's go get this window cleaned off, get some of this backing off, and get it installed. I know some guys just peel just a little bit. And then they stick it on there and then kind of pull it out from underneath it. But I want to heat this up with a heat gun. And like I said, if you have a heat gun, I definitely recommend doing it. You can use a hairdryer also, but this makes a world of difference on this double-sided tape. So we'll kind of get it heated up. Also, I recruited a partner over there. Got my son in here going to help me out because this is a lot of tape. And once it touches the window, that's pretty much where it's going to live. So you don't get very many redos on something like this. So let's get this heated up and get it stuck to the car. All right, so we're just going to come in nice and easy. We're going to line up our corners. Come in on an angle. How you looking there? Good side to side? Oh, are you good there? Okay, let's start bringing it down, nice and slow. Keep it nice and flush. My way? How's that? Okay. Nice and slow. We'll just set it there for a sec and take a look at it. Okay, I think that'll work. So now we'll just press down, put some pressure all along that top edge, and just let that adhesive really stick to the window because it is pressure sensitive. So you want to just kind of apply pressure and just let it sit on there. That looks perfect. Good job. Nice. That looks good. Let's get a better look at it. Let me get you down here. Okay, so our fitment came out really nice. You can see the edge of the glass. It's lined up and our gap is even all the way across. And I'm liking this. It definitely matches the spoiler. It adds a little something. It's subtle. Got our blacked out emblems. Yeah. Yep. It's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. I think I'll leave it for a while. All right, so we're gonna wrap the video up right there, guys. If you found this video because you were searching for this rear window spoiler on the YouTube, trying to figure out how to install it and had some questions about it, I hope this video answered a lot of those questions for you. The fit and finish is really nice. I'm not sure about how long the finish will last. Florida sun is very brutal on just about everything that it touches. So I'm hoping it does last a long time, but the fit itself was really good. All the gaps all the way around. It wasn't warped or anything weird. It fit the glass really nice. And like I said, the nice thing is it's not on your paint, it's on the glass. So if it gets damaged or whatever, or you absolutely hate it, you can take it off, clean off the glass. You don't have to worry about your paint being damaged, which is really nice. If you like stuff like this, how-tos and videos, I'm gonna be doing more performance mods and visual mods on this car in the future. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. That'll let you know when I release a new video. If you know somebody that has a car like this and might be interested in something like that, share it on your social media. That really does help the channel grow. If you can get it out there on the social media, they can share it and all that kind of stuff. And you might help somebody in the process who's looking to do something like this and save a little bit of money. And so as always, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.